You might ask yourself, can selling books online make money? Many books are read once, or not at all, and then given to a thrift shop, sold at auction, or discarded by being left on public transport. You may be able to make a buck by selling them online for a profit. Making money this way is not an easy option. It takes hard work and persistence. In this video, we're going to be discussing about how to make $5,000 per month selling second-hand books online 2022. Getting the right books to sell and then matching them to waiting customers is the key to success. You may find you have days or weeks of zero sales, but then make a super sale. To make this type of business pay, you need specialist knowledge. You can use a middleman to sell, or you could set up your own website. In general, established online resellers will offer you very little money for your secondhand books, secondhand or rare and collectible. There are two main categories of secondhand books. The first and most common is a book which has been owned by someone else, yourself or another person, and is now being resold at a percentage of the original cover price. This category includes student textbooks, popular fiction, or ordinary books which are being sold off following the death of their original owner. The second and smaller category is rare and collectible books. Book illustrations may add value if they are detailed engravings or colored prints. This is a specialist market in which the book's value is determined not just by its condition and rarity, but also by investment potential. The values in this sector of the secondhand book market can be highly volatile. Where to find secondhand books to sell online: thrift stores, charity shops, yard sales, and house clearance. If you find you enjoy selling books online and make a profit, then you'll need to find more stock. Thrift stores and charity shops sell cheap secondhand books. However, the internet makes used book prices visible to everyone, so it's becoming more difficult to find hidden gems in these stores. Auctions and house clearances can be a good source of large book collections. Relatives of the deceased may want to clear the house with as little hassle as possible. If you have transport, you may even get paid by executors to take hundreds of books away for dumping and be able to retrieve a couple of gems from the dross. Just because a book is old doesn't make it valuable. Also, the opposite can also be true. Some newly published books are sought after because small print runs can't keep up with demand. If you specialize in a particular subject area, you'll learn what has value and what does not. Persistence and knowledge are the keys to success in this business, although luck also plays a part. Selling books on Amazon, eBay, and Abe Books. Amazon, Abe Books, and eBay are popular websites for selling secondhand and used books. Anyone can list books for sale on them and name their asking price. However, if you want to make regular sales, don't be greedy, price realistically. The video below shows how using a book pricing app together with a portable Bluetooth scanner make finding and pricing stock much easier than it used to be. This scanner and phone app combo has saved me hours of time. How do you know if a book has significant monetary value? Rare and antique books are a specialist market within the general antiques and collectibles trade. Their price is determined not just by a book's condition, but also by how other investment markets are doing. There are always investors with cash to splash even in a recession. When interest rates are low, cash moves into other investment classes. The value of antiques and other collectibles, including books, may rise as a result. If you have any books you think may have special value, I recommend you take photos of the covers and a few of the inside pages of the books. Then, after phoning first, email the pictures to some auction houses or specialist book traders. Other traders can be generous with their knowledge and time. Even if you don't have a hidden gem on your bookshelf, you may learn a little more about collectible books. Can you get rich selling second-hand books online? Probably not. Getting rich selling online depends on what you define as rich. The amount of profit you make will depend on your marketing skills and being able to source enough stock at the right price. A few sellers do manage to make a good living from doing this, but most people sell used books online as a hobby or side hustle. This is not a passive way to earn money online, but it can be an enjoyable hobby that brings in a few hundred and thousands extra dollars a month for minimum effort. If you enjoyed this video, kindly smash on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more valuable content.